Tignan ninyo, kailangan pa bang presidente pa ang magpatawag na pati ang House, mga members of Congress, magre-report dun sa batasang pambansa? To do what? Iyang kinukonvene lang natin is the Senate to be an impeachment court. Therefore, ang aking...
Ay, meron ka pa, RG?
Sir, sinasabi po ninyo na pwedeng yung Senado magpatawag ng session by itself. Paano po yung magiging process nun, sir? How would it go about?
Mag-convene kami. Tapos, as a body, and then i-declare namin that this is the impeachment court. The impeachment court is now in session. Yan. Then, daanan na namin yung preliminaries.
Sir, pag ganun, kahit po hindi in session yung House, okay lang po yun?
Kasi kaya nga yun ang conclusion ko na okay lang yun. Kasi tignan ninyo, kailangan pa bang presidente pa ang magpatawag na pati ang House, mga members of Congress, magre-report dun sa batasang pambansa? To do what? Iyang kinukonvene lang natin is the Senate to be an impeachment court. Therefore, ang aking logical conclusion, pwedeng gawin ng Senado yan na mag-isa. Hindi kailangan mag-convene din ng House at hindi kailangan ang presidente pa ang magpatawag. Presidente ng Senado plus majority, of course, ang magpatawag.
Sir, yung mga ganitong usapin po ba, makikita siya sa current impeachment rules ng Senate? Or this is kakaibang pangyayari po talaga?
Ang makikita mo sa current impeachment rules ng Senate, itong hawak ko, resolution number 39, ay kung basahin mo yan, you do not get the impression that the Senate must be in session as a legislative body. Kung tutuusin, ano rule yun? In-examine na namin ito. May rule 11 pa nga rito.
Sir, yun na-approve under 19 Congress?
The
latest?
Ito yung, ano to?
Rules of impeachment.
Sir,
ito ay yung dati ng rules of impeachment na ginamit na pwede pang gamitin.
sir, impression, but is it categorically stated
Na
kailangan na naka-legislative session or hindi?
Hindi nga. Kasi kung categorically...
So it's just an interpretation,
Hindi,
sir?
kung categorically stated na we must be in session as a legislative body, surrender ako. Hindi nga eh.
Anong nakalagay, sir, specific?
Wala. Ito nga eh. Tignan mo ito. Na rule...
Yeah, but you can also interpret it the other way. Since wala nakalagay, it's really at the discretion of the lead of the majority.
Precisely, but if you look at this Constitution, ganun din eh. There is no requirement that you must be in legislative session.
So
Kaya kung ganun ang position ng majority, tinatanong ko sila, saan nyo nakuha yan? Yung impression na yan.
But the same question can also be asked of you. Saan yung kinuha yun? Kasi that's also just one interpretation.
Precisely. Ang kinuha ko yun sa obligasyon namin to the trial should forthwith proceed.
So nothing is categorical.
Either
side, nothing is categorical.
That's why we have this debate. Kaya kinukonvince nga natin yung ating mga kasama rito sa Senado, including the Senate President, na logical yung ating position. Logical, may legal basis. Tingnan na lang natin itong Rule 10. Dito Rule 11, Rule 10.
Ano nakalagay, sir?
Nakasulat dito at 2 o'clock in the afternoon or at such other hour as the Senate may order of the day appointed for the trial of an impeachment, the legislative business of the Senate, if there be any, shall be suspended, etc. Kung basahin mo na lang yun pinapakita na kahit merong legislative business, priority si impeachment. Kasi isuspend mo ang legislative business mo kung meron.
So, priority
kung
talaga.
meron. So, ibig sabihin nun, pwedeng wala.
Sa rules nyo yan.
Correct. Sa rules. So, pwedeng wala. And then kahit nga meron, isuspend mo
But, yeah, kaya nga, kung your rules can always be suspended with unanimous consent or majority numbers of the Senate. Right?
The rules of the impeachment rules.
Yeah.
Iba na to.
Or any
Impeachment
internal rule
rules.
of the Senate. If the majority so decides, you can always suspend it, set it aside, even amend it.
Amended, yeah. Pero as long as hindi pa amended, ano sundin
yan
namin?
yung
Mag-imagine kami na as if amended. Dito muna tayo sa wording of the existing, di ba? Kung how it is written, dito tayo.
So all of this taken into consideration, ayaw nila gawin yan ng majority. So ibig sabihin, it stands to reason, ayaw nila na impeachment.
hindi ko pa masabing ayaw ng majority. Kasi
Yeah, but how else do you
because-
explain why they do not share your view?
Baka yung attention nila nga nasa iba. That's where we're now focusing on this matter. So, and then so that the Senate President can focus every senator's attention on this matter, magpatawag na siya ng caucus.
Sir, do you intend to talk to SP about that?
Yeah.
Kakausapin niyo sa SP?
Sabi ko sa SP, sulatan ko pa siya.
Sulatan niyo ulit?
Sulatan ko ulit. Para siguradong in writing.
Okay, ma'am. Follow
Sir,
up.
isa lang po.
Ng 11. Sige. Yes,
Apo.
ma'am.
Sir, sabi lang po kasi ni SP na baka better na wag muna tayo mag-start kasi ang dami pang question sa SC. Baka mamaya raw po, nagsimula na kayo and then ma-invalidate yung mga gagawin ninyo dahil mag-desisyon on the contrary yung SC sa mga petitions po.
Masyado nang maingat yun. That's too cautious an approach. Maganda rin may cautious siya pero not too cautious na pagbasa mo ng Constitution and trial in the Senate shall forthwith proceed. Yan sabi. Yun ang sabi. So, you do not be too cautious na hindi mo sabihin, huwag na ingat tayo rito kasi baka ma-question tayo, huwag muna tayo mag-trial. Huwag muna sa July na natin i-trial. Sirang-sira ang meaning ng forthwith eh.
Pero sir, may nangyari na ba in the past na...
Meron pa pala itong Rule 11 namin sa existing last sentence ng Rule 11. The adjournment of the Senate sitting in said trial shall not operate as an adjournment of the Senate as a legislative body. Tignan mo. So tignan mo, the other way around, ganun. Pag-adjourn na si Senate as an impeachment court, hindi necessarily adjourn si Senate as a legislative body. So ganun, sabihin, hiwalay talaga. So whether or not in session ka as a legislative body, pwede kang in session as a Senate impeachment court. So nandiyan sa Rule 10 and 11 ng impeachment rules. Ano yung tanong mo? Kakat kita.
Meron na po ba in the past na nangyari na merong impeachment trial or hearing sa Kamara na nag-issue ng TRO ang Korte Suprema?
Kaya personal knowledge, wala akong maalala. Kasi nag-TRO ba? Yun.
So pwede...
So, naging moot.
So, yeah, the same effect as the TRO.
Yeah. Pero iba yun. Ang TRO kasi hindi naman inutos na talunin nyo sa botohan. So, ang TRO is stop nyo lahat. So, that means that that house, sa house yun sa house, no? So, that means that previous house believed that it was, ang position nila, it's a political question to be decided by the political institutions.
Kasi sir, yung prayer ng petition ni VP Sara ngayon, mag-issue rin ng TRO para mapigilan yung impeachment trial. So, ano yun? Kung sakali bang pakinggan ng Korte Suprema, pwede rin hindi sundin yun ng Congress, ng Senate, ng House, kagaya ng ginawa ng House?
Saka huwag na natin unahan yun para maganda rin ang desisyon ng Supreme Court. Hindi nila in-anticipate ang kilos ng Senado.
Okay.